So why did you attend the HIF festival?
I attended the HIF festival first of all because I had to because of a class, but also I've heard about it before, so I really wanted to go because I like films and I like festivals, so it sounded good.
Okay, so did it live up to your expectations about the festival?
Yeah, it absolutely did. I've seen 5 movies and I've enjoyed all of it. It's a really good festival.
Oh, so you've seen 5 movies?
Yeah.
Can I ask which one was your favorite one?
My favorite one was probably the documentary Seeking Asian Female.
Okay. How come that was your favorite one?
It was really funny. It was about this 60-year-old guy, Steven, who's American, and he's obsessed with Asian women. So he finds this Chinese woman online who agrees to marry him. So she comes to the United States, and they meet for the first time, and they try to get to know each other while she's speaking Chinese and he's speaking English. And it's both sad and really funny and really, really interesting at the same time.